All right, this is what $1,000 a night gets you in Chicago, Airbnb. Come on in. We're gonna make it a 5-minute video. Come on in. Maybe shorter. So, on the first floor, we got a little living room here. We got some decent curtains. We got the W for me, and we got a little bathroom here for people to use. That's the first floor. It's real simple. Cool, cool, cool. Stay with me. Over here, there's entrance from your garage right here. So we actually walk right here. Our car is in there. Now let's go upstairs. Okay, now we're on the second level. So come on up. And the second level, we have a full, nice big old living room, a nice big old TV. It's got bookcases. I think it's got an operating fireplace, which is really dope. Come on over here. We got a nice huge dining room with a nice chandelier. Come over here. Another bathroom. Come over here. We got the huge kitchen, fridge, wine, and you step out here on the patio. Show them this really quickly. We got a grill. We got a seating area. Now, look at me. Not much of a view yet, but let me go show you the view upstairs. Follow me. Let me fast forward. Come on. All right, now I think we're on the third floor. Come on in. This is actually the master room suite. So if you look here, these doors actually open you up to the master bedroom. So come on in. So if you look in the master bedroom, we got two huge skylight doors, whatever you want to call it. Nice seat, king size bed. Nice wardrobe here, fireplace in here. Come on over here. Washer and dryer in the unit, which is really nice and convenient. Huge mirror. Look at this huge carpet. Look at this whole makeup area. This is all the master bedroom. And check out this clip right here. We have the bathroom. We got the Sᴜબ્sᴄʀɪévᴇ bathtub. We got a standing shower. It's nice. There you go. Now follow me. Let's keep it rolling. Don't worry about it. Keep it rolling. Right now, come on. Right here, I'll be fast forwarding. All right, fourth floor. We got to work out. Check out this view. Look right here. This is the fourth floor. We got another TV here. We got another bookshelf here. Check out the city. Check out this big old patio here. But most of all, check out downtown Chicago. Perfect view of the city. All right, last thing, come over here. We got closets, bathroom. We got a bedroom here with a nice queen size bed, and we got another bedroom here for twins. All right, for me. So, hopefully that was 5 minutes. This is what $1,000 a night Airbnb gets you in Chicago. So thanks for watching. Peace.